Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to present you my first console based gaming program in C++. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here it is showing three options for the user. One is play new game, second load previous game, and third is exit the game. So first of all we are gonna play new game. And here it is asking player 1 which marker should you want. So let's say give him X. Now it's player number 1 turn with X marker, and let's say he want to put X in slot number 5. And then player number 2 turn with 0 marker, and let's say he want to put slot number 1. And now again player X turn, and let's say he want to occupy slot number 3. And again player 0 turn, and let's say he want to occupy slot number 4. Now if the user again enter the occupied slot, then it will display that slot is occupied. Let's say we will put slot number 5, and then it's showing that slot is occupied, try another slot. And now if the user enters some invalid number, then it will show that you have entered invalid number like 1. Now it's showing that slot is invalid, try another slot. Now if we want that some player should win, let's say we want that player X should win, then we are gonna occupy the slot number 7. And now it's showing that player X won, congratulations. And now if we want to again play the game, so play new game. Now if the user again want to play the game, let's say give him marker X and play the game 1, 3, 9. And now because of some reasons, if the user want to exit the game and play it after a while, then he can do that like this. First of all we're gonna CLS Tic Tac Toe. Here is the load previous game. We're gonna enter 2, choose the marker, and you can see that the previous game is loaded, and now he can play the game. And let's say he want to occupy the slot number 2, and O want to occupy the slot number 7, and X want to occupy the slot number 5, and it is showing that player X won, congratulations. So after that we're gonna exit the game, and here is my code for this game. Here are all the functions, the main, the display board, place marker function. The main function is this void game, in which all the functionalities takes place. And that's the store and load function. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. Kindly subscribe my channel.